This was my 1974 Sears SS16 garden tractor. I bought this tractor in May of 2013. It came with a 48-inch mowing deck, a rototiller, a cultivator, and a manual 3-point hitch. I purchased this tractor because of its exemplary original condition. It had always been stored inside, never missed a season's work, and was relatively well maintained. It was also never used in the winter. Despite the tractor's very good original condition, it had problems with the engine. These problems were related to broken oil control rings. The engine consumed a lot of oil, there was a lot of blow-by, and excessive oil contamination. Because of the excessive oil consumption and contamination, this tractor was not very good for mowing. Because it was in such good shape, I didn't want to use it in the winter. It became a novelty to me, and so that's why I sold it. This is a little video that I put together both for myself and for anyone else who can appreciate a fine original machine like this. I hope you all enjoy.